will talk about how can you disable Copytrader posts on your notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, then you just click here on, sorry, we'll go back. You click here on Copytrader here, just click on it. You come to next step here. So then you come here to here Copytrader post, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.